Welcome to our showroom, where we pride ourselves on offering a wide variety of luxury and functional products designed to enhance your home's elegance and comfort. Today, I am excited to present to you our antique-look rustic green copper vessel Vanity Bathtub artistic wash basin sink. This exquisite sink features a stunning combination of vintage and modern aesthetics. The antique look of the green copper vessel adds a touch of timeless elegance to your bathroom, while the rustic green copper finish exudes a warm and natural charm. The vessel sink features a sleek, arc-shaped design that provides ample space for hand washing and cleansing, making it perfect for both hygiene and aesthetics. The sink is not only a stunning piece of furniture, but also offers excellent functionality. The high-quality materials used in its construction ensure that it is resistant to cracks, chips, and staining, making it long-lasting and easy to maintain. Furthermore, the arc-shaped design of the sink allows for easy access to all corners of the wash basin, making it ideal for cleaning stubborn areas and ensuring a thorough clean. In conclusion, our antique look, rustic green copper vessel Vanity Bathtub artistic wash basin sink is the perfect combination of style, comfort, and functionality, making it an essential addition to any bathroom. We are confident that this sink will not only enhance the beauty of your home, but also provide you with years of high-quality service and satisfaction.